forward, and today I have a cooking guest, Lydia.
Hi, my name is Lydia Islas. I'm an AmeriCorps volunteer with Mentor North, and I'm super excited to cook with you today.
Yay! So today we're making chicken dumpling soup, and it's the perfect time of year to do that. It's so good for you. In your crates, you'll have a jar with vegetables. Today I have onion and 2 types of cabbage. You might have something else. A jar of your prepped chicken, 1 condiment cup of flour for your dumplings, and 1 condiment cup that'll have a little less, and that's got your bouillon in it that you're going to use for your broth. So the first step to all of this is I'm going to put the vegetables into the pot, and we're going to add a cup of water. If you feel like there's not enough water for your broth likes, you can add a little more water, which is what I'm going to do today. Perfect, that'll work. Lydia, my lovely assistant. While our chicken and vegetables are simmering, getting heated up, we're going to prepare our dumplings. So in your crate, you'll have a condiment cup that has all the ingredients in there. We're going to put that into a bowl. You'll need a fork, and I would say add 1 tablespoon and stir, and then go from there. Maybe you'll need 2 tablespoons. We'll just see, and I'll show you the consistency. You want it to be like a paste, but not like cake batter, not that thin. Just stir that around. Yeah, I think that we'll put in another tablespoon. That'll be good.
Okay.
Your condiment cup is your bouillon, but there's also a little bit of flour in there, just to create a little thickening for your soup.
It's pretty bright purple, but fun fact, that bright purple color is actually an antioxidant called flavonoid, and it's really good for us.
You have extra root vegetables, use them in your soup, whether it's rutabagas, carrots, celery, onion, whatever you have and whatever you like in your soup. Feel free to add that in addition to what we send you in your crate.
I would definitely add carrots and onions and probably a little bit of garlic, all my favorites.
The vegetables are tender. We've added a little more broth, and now Lydia's going to put in the dumplings. Well, let's try a whole teaspoon. Yep. And then just put that off with your, yep. Once those dumplings puff up and start to float a little bit, then they're done.
Awesome. How long does that usually take?
You know, it just depends on how much that you put in per dumpling, but at least a few minutes.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, it does smell pretty good. I mean, it's interesting to smell chicken coming from a pot of purple soup. Oh, that's good.
It's so good.
That is something though. I would have added a little bit more water to my dumplings. So dumplings can be kind of an experiment. But bon appetit.
Thank you.
Thanks for cooking with me, Lydia.
Of course, anytime.
Yeah. Toodles!